Ladies and gentlemen, in a 1,284-word statement, Rhea Chakrabarti, through a lawyer, attacked Sushant Singh Rajput's family once again in the most slanderous manner. But tonight we will expose the contradictory versions and tell how she has tied herself in knots in this utter show of last-minute panic and desperation.
11 a.m. Wednesday. India's highest court will give its verdict on who will probe the Sushant Singh Rajput case.
The matter is finally in the supplementary list. It's been officially listed. So countdown 11 a.m. when the top court of the country is going to be pronouncing its verdict in the CBI for SSR matter. This has become so massive because all sides have been heard and now official confirmation coming in. This matter is going to be giving out its verdict tomorrow by the top court of the country.
CBI's accused number one, Rhea Chakrabarti, the 28-year-old who hasn't been able to explain her source of income to the ED, is in a state of complete panic. In a 1,284-word statement, she has viciously attacked Sushant's family and has slandered his sister Priyanka.
Counsel of Rhea Chakrabarti has clearly stated all these facts and giving it a political color, adding the name of the Bihar government doesn't buy any logic, because what Mr. Vikas Singh has said, that the consequence of the crime that is in the affected party is Mr. KK Singh, who is a 74-year-old man and he lives in Patna and he cannot go to Mumbai and Delhi frequently.
But what just doesn't add up is her claim about what happened on the 8th of June. She says she reluctantly left and informed Sushant to let her or her brother know about anything he required or in case he needed to talk. The ones who were in the house that day have a different version. Sushant's family is fighting back through their lawyer.
प्रियंका के लिए बड़ा अच्छा उसने एक पोएट्री लिखा सुशांत ने उसके सामने कि तुम मेरी मतलब उसने याद वर्ड चिड़िया करके लिखा और बताया कि कितना उसका अहम रोल है उसके ज़िंदगी में. तभी उसने षड्यंत्र का प्लान बनाया कि कैसे प्रियंका को मैं सुशांत से अलग करूं. अगर उनका कहना है कि उनकी तरफ से तो कोई वो हुई नहीं थी, कोई झगड़ा भी नहीं था, वो तो नहीं कह रही कोई झगड़ा हुआ था. अगर चली गई थी तो फिर उसके बाद क्यों नहीं उन्होंने फोन पे उनका एक्सेप्ट किया, क्यों उनको ब्लॉक करके रखा 6 दिन. आदित्य ठाकरे का तो हमारे कंप्लेंट में भी कोई जिक्र नहीं है, इसलिए मैं क्यों बोलने जाऊंगा. अगर नहीं जानती है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं जानती मतलब वो जानती है नहीं जानती, वो बोल क्यों रही है.
Why is Rhea and PR machinery in panic? Let's debate.